So 2021 seems to be the year where Adidas and Pharrell Williams are bringing out many colorways of the hue NMDs. So we've had the triple blacks, the orange, the blues, to name but a few. And I managed to cop, two out of the three so far. So the triple black and the orange. But now Pharrell has brought out a new colorway, and not only that, it's to coincide with the 20th anniversary celebration of N.E.R.D, the band that he led until he moved into the fashion and sneaker world. So I wanted to check it out. However, the sneaker's not available in the UK. So we had to do a bit of legwork. We managed to get it in hand. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back with another video. And today I'm checking out the Adidas Hue NMD N.E.R.D 20th anniversary edition. Thanks for checking that video. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. You can also find me outside of YouTube and Instagram at Lukas Winn. And if you do like today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out a new colorway of the Adidas Pharrell Williams Hue NMD silhouette. But not only that, it's to coincide and celebrate the 20th anniversary of N.E.R.D. And that is the sneaker we have right here. Now this sneaker didn't drop in the UK or the EU, so I had to do a bit of legwork to actually cop this. Originally I entered the draw on Confirmed app in the US, but I took an L, but I still wanted to get the sneaker. So I saw a Twitter blast about this was actually being released on Kith. And if you see my previous video, I did the unboxing of the sneaker. You will notice that I managed to cop not only this pair of sneakers, but also a t-shirt from the Kith Monday program. I will leave a link in the top of the screen and also a link in the description down below if you want to go and check that video. But they had these on Kith and I thought, you know what, let me cop. Unfortunately, didn't cop in my size. So I'm a UK 13, US 13.5, and these are actually US 12. It's a little bit unfortunate that I wasn't able to cop, but I still wanted to get these in hand. So I went through the purchase, copped on Kith, and about a week later they turned up. So let's get into it. So here we have pretty standard Hue NMD box. So you've got your HU on the top, and then 2018 underneath that for the year. And then on the back you've got the Adidas truffle logo, the kind of multicolour, and then Pharrell Williams in the yellow lines. And then if we turn to the front, you see the size tag. And it's the Hue NMD N.E.R.D, and the size tag reads US 12, UK 11.5. So pop the lid. You got your standard Adidas paper, nothing really special about this. A little bit surprising, I thought they might have released some special packaging. When I did the triple black review, they had all black box. And obviously it looks, quite nice, but for some reason this packaging is just standard. So a little bit disappointed there. I think they could have definitely done something more. What I would say is I know that there were some pairs gifted to other, more established YouTubers, and certainly if you check those videos out, they did get special packaging, but for the retail box, unfortunately it didn't happen. So, here's the paper. And here we have the sneaker itself. So this is the Adidas Pharrell Williams Hue NMD N.E.R.D 20th anniversary edition. So I'm just going to take both sneakers out because they both got details. So it's a beautiful sneaker. I really like the colorway. Really annoyed that I didn't get this in my size, because this would definitely be one to rock. I mean, the summer months are just ending, but definitely you know, it's a comfy sneaker. I mean, as I said, I got 2 of these already, and really enjoying the use of them. So anyway, starting the outsole. So you've got a light blue outsole, and you've got Adidas logo here, and then trefoil logo right here. And then it just has the brown with the 3 stripes, and then obviously it's also in German, French and Japanese at the bottom there. And you've got the boost element underneath as you turn into the midsole. So obviously all white here, and then you've got your standard NMD characteristics. So you've got your little square element here, and then square element right here. And if we turn to the front, it's an all prime knit upper, as you can see. And the difference on this one is you've got, if you look down the front, you've got N.E.R.D, and you've got 3 stars to obviously symbolise the celebration. If we turn to the medial side, it's the same, obviously it curves inwards to kind of mould to your foot. And again, boost midsole is really comfortable. So as I said, in the triple black, you know, really love them. They feel really nice on foot. If we go up the upper, obviously you've got the laces, and they go through this cage element at the side here. NMDs are a very unique way of lacing, so it's not your standard lace eyelets. You have this kind of cage, and then you have these holes in which the laces go through, and it's really just to hold your foot in place, because it's basically a sock, and as you can see, you know, basically hold your foot in place, similar to like a Yeezy, for example. And then we come to the back, and then you've got this 20 number on the back to obviously symbolise the 20th anniversary celebration. And then that's on a leather with a kind of teal colouring right here, so it's quite a nice touch. And then around the back of the ankle, you've just got the boost midsole again. And then if we look inside, the sock liner is obviously forms part of the boot itself. You've got this kind of orange sock liner, so it's a nice little detail. And then, as with all NMDs, you've got the on the insole itself, you've got different elements of the body, so it's quite a nice little touch you get on these, because obviously it's to promote like humankind, so it's very orientated towards the human body. So again, that's nice little details. So for example, you've got kidneys, bladder, colon, stomach, etc. So this is the right sneaker, as you can see. We'll just switch to the left. So on the left sneaker, you've just got the same details, except so the outsole's in this kind of teal colour, or clear mint, I believe they call it. So again, it's a nice little detail. So, and you also get second pair of laces, which are also in that clear mint colour as well. On the upper itself, it's just some Japanese. If anyone in the comments knows what this is, please feel free to leave a comment, because I have no idea, but it's quite a nice little detail. Then on the back, you've got the N.E.R.D brain logo to celebrate the 20th anniversary, and that's on this glow orange leather colour right here. Also on the inside of the sock liner, it's that icy blue that you see on the outsole of the right sneaker. So it's interesting how they've taken the different elements and added those in, so it's kind of an asymmetrical look. I think it's quite a nice little detail. Obviously they could have kept the sneaker exactly the same, but they've decided to change it up and obviously have some different colours to different hits on the sneakers. So that's the sneaker. So what do you think of the sneaker? Did you manage to cop it, or did you pass? What I would say is resale on this is pretty low. I mean, these retail for $220 in the US, and I paid $205 from Kith, so in pounds. Probably paid a little bit more than I should have done, but as I said, they didn't release in the UK, as far as I'm aware. I wasn't able to cop a pair, so I didn't see much publicity for them, to be honest. They may have released in some boutiques, but for the most part, this was a US exclusive. It wasn't a confirmed app, for example. So, but yeah, resale is probably $20, $30 right now, so you know, not a huge number. Now the question is, would I get a pair in my size? I'm thinking about it. Definitely am thinking about it. I definitely think the colour's clean. That cream colour is really popping. Obviously these different hits as well. I think it's really a nice little touch. And yeah, so very likely I will, but I'm just kind of waiting for a good resale price at the moment. Obviously no on foot because it's not in my size, but again, just wanted to get this review out for the channel and obviously bring something a little bit different. So thanks for checking this video. If this is the kind of content you want to see, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. You can also find me outside of YouTube on Instagram at Lukas Winn. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy. I'll see you in the next video.